Hello, I'm Bob Ross, and I'd like to welcome you to The Joy of Painting. This is a 1-hour instructional tape designed to take you step by step through a beautiful painting project. On this tape, we will paint a picture which, if any procedure is unclear to you, you may run the tape back and see it again to see exactly how a particular effect was made. As using little crisscross strokes, begin laying in a basic sky. And start at the top and work downward. That way your brush will pick up the liquid white, and automatically, your color gets lighter toward the horizon. Let the canvas work, let the liquid white work, let your brush work. You just enjoy. Because painting should make you happy. Should be a fun experience. And you can always add a little more color. Start with very little color. You can always go back and add a little more. That's very simple. It's a son of a gun to try to take it off, though. You can do it, but it's very difficult. Okay, and that quickly we've laid in a happy little sky. That from the outside in. Start on the outside, pull in. Start on the bottom, work up. So it gets very lightly, just like so, just barely blending. Into the fabric, and you just decide where you want little bumps to live. See, there's one. Wherever you want them. Maybe there's a happy little thing lives right there. Scrape off all the excess paint. Just really get in there and scrape hard. You can't hurt this. Just scrape it off. The only thing we're worried about is this nice outside edge. In here, we could care less. Now then, with a 2-inch brush, I want to grab this. Because of the, let's go up here. Okay, now then, right along in here. Take the point of the knife, put it right up at the top of the mountain. No pressure. Just let it float. Just let it float right down the side of the mountain here. No pressure. See, follow the angles in the mountain. Absolutely no pressure. Okay, maybe right here. Think where light would strike. Think where the sun would shine through here and create all these beautiful little effects. And if you're right-handed, it's normally easier for the light to come from the right side. Easier. See? Very delicate touch though. Very delicate. Very delicate. This is a time when the little, maybe they just come right down. There they come. Wherever you want them. And just sort of pull it straight down. So turn it over, use the other corner. If one gets empty, you can turn it over. Just pull it straight down. apart. Let's just do something here. See, if you put them like this, they're very rapidly going to look like telephone poles or fence posts. If that happens, just put some more in there. Just means you don't have quite enough. Not quite enough. There we go. Reload your brush frequently. And maybe as they wander out here, they get a little bit bigger. And by making them bigger out here, just the corner and push down. Down. I'm exaggerating this. Down. Like that. Okay? Now then, stronger. Turn the knife. And they'll get thicker. And you can put limbs on trees or whatever you want. Just doing this. Most of these will be covered up, as I say. Put a few on the other side over here. So, see, you can go anywhere you want to go here, but you want to keep these lines as straight as you can. There. Okay, maybe there's a happy little ripple as I hear this too. Should be straight. Okay, tell you what, let me get the liner brush. I'm going to put paint thinner on it. Paint thinner. Let's go right up here in the brown. You want this to be as thin as ink. This is paint thinner, little Van Dyke brown. Turn that brush. Turn it. Brings it to a sharp, nice sharp point. See? Okay, let's go up here. Now, this is a thin paint. Maybe in here it lives a little stick or twig. Right there. Right here. And this paint is thin, it will flow. It will literally flow right off your brush. If your paint won't flow, then it's probably not thin enough. Add a little more paint thinner to it. Sometimes I use a thin oil. That'll work quite nicely too. See? There we go. And I hope you've enjoyed this painting. It's a lot of fun. It'll teach you how to use the equipment. And it's very, very rewarding. And I look forward to painting with you again on other instructional videos. And until then, from all of us here,